Hi, I'm Amika. I'm your chatmate for today.
Hey there, my name is Bruce, and I'll be your chatmate today.
My name is B, and I'll be your chatmate for today. Are you ready to get started?
Try it like this, and repeat after me. Have you met Ted?
That's fine. Now, listen to what I say and repeat after me.
That sounds really good. Now try saying it a little bit slower. That sounds much better.
Be best to keep it natural, alright? I'll see you next session, okay? Take care.
I hope I was able to help you. Keep practicing. You're getting there.